gonna be showing y'all how to make some Southern style baked macaroni and cheese. Perfect for the holiday feast, perfect for a birthday party, a bar mitzvah, you name it, you bring this to the party, guaranteed to turn it up, huh? Say macaroni and cheese. Alright, look man, we're gonna start with the ingredients. So it's not a lot of ingredients in this recipe, but you wanna make sure if you're looking for a certain flavor, add what you need. I got black pepper, smoked paprika, parsley flakes. You can use salt if you want to. I don't really use too much when I cook. I got some chicken bouillon. I got 3 different cheeses, mozzarella, sharp cheddar, and some Mexican blend. You could use milk in this recipe. I like heavy cream. I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't going to the store to get no milk. I already had heavy cream. I got some butter and the elbow macaroni. Don't forget the parsley flakes. I might have said it already, but it's not a lot like I'm saying. So this is what I use for this recipe. Do what make you comfortable at your home. I don't pay the light bill over there. I have no opinions on how y'all do it, but this is what I do for it. And I guarantee you, this one, if you follow it, is gonna come out great. So I'm gonna start with boiling my noodles. I got my water set. Cook it exactly like you see it on the back of the box. Only difference is I'm using chicken bouillon. You can use chicken stock. I'm not gonna cook it all the way. The back of the box say 9 to 11 minutes. It's gonna cook in the oven, so I'm going 6 to 8 minutes. It's gonna just get soft enough to do what it gotta do. We're gonna let it boil. I'm not gonna lie, I tried to get the scene where I put the noodles in. Camera wasn't recording, but I just added them on here. They boil up and we let them go. We're gonna strain them, put them to the side. Now we're gonna start with our cheese. So with our cheeses, I just cubed up a little bit of that mozzarella. I'm trying to get the sharp cheddar thin. It's not shredded yet. This is what I'm just gonna throw on the inside because I want it to be cheesy every single bite you get. And then I'm gonna start this little custard mix that we got going on right here. You're gonna do some eggs. The secret to the eggs is beating them things up, man. You don't need all these heavy equipment and all this and that. Add you some heavy cream to it. You want to use about 3 cups. I'm adding about a cup at a time, just because I'm trying to beat it. I'm going to get it to the right consistency. So as you see what I'm doing, I'm just in the kitchen putting my wrist to work. You see what it is. So it's all about beating it. It's the technique. If you don't got no bowls like this, use the bowls you got. Go to the store and get you some bowls like this. It's going to make your prep work that much easier. And then from there, we're just going to grease our pan up. We're going to grease it, put it to the side, and we're going to get started on these noodles. It's not a lot of work in this recipe. I'm telling y'all, everything moves fast too. So please pay attention. Already started adding my mixture in there. I got some cheese in there. I put a little bit of sour cream because I started mixing it when I was watching it, and then I was like, you know what, it ain't the consistency I want. I didn't add the custard mix yet. I'm just simply adding the cheese that y'all saw me shred up a little bit and those cubes of the mozzarella right here. I'm just mixing this. This is before it goes into the pan. Directly after we strain it, you want to be adding some butter to this mixture. You're going to add some cheese to this mixture. You can add a little bit of seasonings. I don't do too much because I'm going to season it a little bit when it get in the pan. But we just getting it ready. As you can see what I got in here, I got a little bit of cheese already. I got my mixture. I'm just going to set it up and then I'm just going to layer it. Let's get to shredding it in here. We're going to make it extremely cheesy. Extremely cheesy. And it's extremely easy to make this cheesy macaroni. You feed me? I'm just playing. Hey, y'all don't judge me for that. I do my custard mix on top of that. You want to do it a cup at a time and just spread it all around. I want everything filled. I want it extra creamy. If it ain't creamy enough for you, add some more. If your egg mixture is running out, beat some more eggs. If you need some more milk, add some more milk. If you need some more heavy cream, add some heavy cream. I only use heavy cream in this video for this recipe, and I thought it was good. So do what's gonna make you comfortable. So it's a layer of noodles. I do the mixture on top, the egg mixture with the milk. Then I go shredded cheese on top of that. Then I do another. It's just like a lasagna. You're just doing the layers. That's all you're doing. And I'm not gonna play with you, man. This recipe is so easy to make. All it is the egg mixture with your cheeses, with your seasonings. If you cook your noodles right beforehand, it ain't gonna take a lot of work. As I'm doing this, I already preheated my oven. We're gonna put it at 375. So that's it. We just gonna go a cup at a time. Like I said, I want every single crevice of this to be super cheesy. So what I do is I get it in there, I mix it around, and then I smooth it out. So I make sure every corner is hit. I want it everywhere. And the pan is nice and greased up, so you don't got to worry about it sticking too much and getting burnt on one side. We gonna watch it too. So when it's in the oven doing this thing, you want to get the right color, a golden little top on it, golden crispy melted top. And then all I'm doing now, I shredded up some more mozzarella on the top. I added some butter to the mix too as well, some more butter. I just want it to be extremely cheesy, and then I start seasoning it up. So I got my paprika on there, my black pepper, a little bit of onion powder, and then I start taking my parsley flakes right here. So I put the parsley flakes in my hand, and then I just sprinkle them all over the top. So looks really delicious when it's time to cook. Oh, excuse me, when it's time to eat. It is time to cook right now. What time is it? What y'all doing? And that's it, man. When you take it out of the oven, look at that, man. I put it in the oven 375 for about 35. You want to do 30 to 35 minutes. You could push it to 40, but I wanted it to be super creamy. I didn't want it to have a burnt look on the top. And look at the baby, man. The baby gonna tell you everything. Was it good? You know it was good, man. Look at my son. My son is tearing his food up. This baby is 1 year old eating macaroni for Thanksgiving. Come on, man. Like I said, this recipe cannot be beat. No matter what you do with it, you're gonna make it at home, you're gonna make it at church, you're gonna make it at your mama house, your cousin, sister, auntie house, it don't matter. Whatever party you bring this to, this macaroni is guaranteed to smack. And I mean, smack means taste good if you are unfamiliar with the vernacular around these parts. But I'm just gonna let you know this recipe is incredible, super easy to make. You can have your children help you with it. If y'all like this, man, give me a thumbs up. Leave me some comments down there, man. Tell me what y'all want to see next, man. If y'all want to see more holiday recipes, y'all want to see what to do with them leftovers for Thanksgiving and Christmas, man, holla at your boy. Let me know what's good. A lot of work to do this, so we want to make sure we're doing it right. And we see y'all in the next one, man. Kate in the Kitchen, I'm gone.